Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp, YouTube, and Gmail shortcuts on your desktop, whether you're using a computer or a laptop. This is a simple way to quickly access your favorite web applications without typing URLs every time, making your workflow much faster. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you like. Once it's open, navigate to the website you want to create a shortcut for. Let's start with WhatsApp. In the URL bar, type web.whatsapp.com and press Enter. This will take you to WhatsApp Web, where you can use WhatsApp on your computer by syncing with your phone. After the page loads, look to the top right corner of your browser, click the three-dot menu or hamburger menu. From the drop-down, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Create Shortcut. A pop-up will appear where you can name your shortcut. You can leave it as WhatsApp or change it to something you like. When ready, click Create. Congratulations, your WhatsApp shortcut is now on your desktop, ready to double-click and open anytime. Next, let's create a shortcut for YouTube. Navigate to www.youtube.com in your browser. Repeat the same steps. Click the three-dot menu, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Create Shortcut. Name it if you want, and click Create. Your YouTube shortcut is now on your desktop for instant access. Finally, let's add Gmail. Go to www.gmail.com, click the three-dot menu, select Cast, Save, and Share, and choose Create Shortcut. Customize the name if you like, and click Create. Your Gmail shortcut is now ready on the desktop, making it faster to open your inbox whenever you need. If at any time you want to remove a shortcut, simply right-click the icon and select Delete. And that's it. A quick and easy way to streamline your daily browsing and increase productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tricks.